Here we have the KitchenAid 1.7 liter food processor. This food processor is 350 watts. It consumes very low power. It has a BPA-free 1.7 liter bowl. That's about 7 cups. And it has a heavy-duty base with a plastic build. We go to the features. The lid has 2 pushers. It has one small pusher and a larger pusher, just like that. It opens up with a latch right here. You just need to unclip it, and then you can lift up the lid. It dislodges from the bowl. This is for ease of cleaning. It has the following blades. It has the double-sided shredder and slicer blade. This is where you shred, and this other side is where you can slice. The slicer is 4 millimeter. Yeah. The other blade is just for slicing. This slices 6 mm. We have the dough hook. This one is ideal for making dough. We have the multi-purpose slicer. This is the most useful attachment of this food processor because it helps you mix, it helps you chop, it helps you puree and cut your vegetables. This is the driver tool. This is where you connect all your blades. The bowl is very easy to unclip. It has that dot right there. To unclip it, you just need to pull it up, and to clip it back, you just need to put it down. So this is how you assemble your food processor. You put the driver in, and to put the blade for this one, you just need to put it in, rotate it until it is on the ground, on the floor, or at the bottom of the bowl. For the discs, you just need to make sure it's up here, not there, not down here. It has to be up here. So you rotate it until it is right at that point. Then now you can close up and put the things you want to shred or the things you want to slice. And for cleaning, the blades and the bowl are dishwasher safe, and you just need to wipe clean the bottom. It has 3 speeds. It has number 1, and it has 2 and pulse. Pulse you need to hold for when it is working, and number 1 is for vegetable chopping and slow stirring. Number 2 is for fast pureeing and kneading dough. Yeah, and that's all for the KitchenAid 1.7 liter food processor.